Construction project management is a complex and challenging task that requires careful planning, effective communication, and efficient resource management. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on 10 essential tips for successful construction project management. In this video, we'll be sharing valuable insights and practical tips to help you manage your construction projects with ease and efficiency. Whether you're an experienced project manager or new to the field, these tips will be useful for you. So let's get started. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. 10 essential tips for successful construction project management. Number 1. Effective communication. Effective communication is key to successful construction project management. As a project manager, it's your responsibility to ensure that all stakeholders are on the same page and working towards a common goal. This requires clear and concise communication at every stage of the project. One important aspect of effective communication is setting expectations from the outset. You need to clearly define what you expect from your team members, contractors, and suppliers in terms of timelines, budgets, quality standards, and other critical factors. In addition to setting expectations, you also need to establish open lines of communication with everyone involved in the project. Number 2. Be a planner. One of the most critical aspects of successful construction project management is planning. As a project manager, you need to have excellent organizational skills and be able to plan ahead effectively. The first step in becoming a planner is to establish clear goals for your project. This will help you create a roadmap that outlines all the tasks and milestones that need to be achieved throughout the construction process. Once you have established your goals, it's time to develop a detailed project plan. This plan should include an overview of all tasks, timelines for completion, resource allocation, and risk management strategies. As part of your planning process, it's important to involve all stakeholders in the decision-making process. Number 3. Be a delegator. One of the most important skills for successful construction project management is delegation. As a project manager, you cannot do everything yourself, and it's essential to have a team that can support you in achieving your goals. Delegation involves giving tasks or responsibilities to other team members. It helps to spread the workload and ensure that all aspects of the project are covered efficiently. However, delegation requires trust in your team's abilities and proper communication channels. To be an effective delegator, start by identifying each team member's strengths and weaknesses. This way, you can assign tasks based on their capabilities while providing opportunities for growth where necessary. It is also important to set clear expectations when delegating tasks. Define what needs to be done, when it should be completed, and any specific requirements or procedures involved. Number 4. Resource management. Resource management is a crucial aspect of successful construction project management. It involves managing the resources required to complete the project, including labor, equipment, and materials. To effectively manage these resources, it's essential to have a clear plan in place that outlines what is needed for each phase of the project. One way to ensure effective resource management is by conducting regular inventory checks. This will help you keep track of your supplies and prevent shortages or overages. Proper communication with suppliers and subcontractors can also enhance resource management efforts. Ensuring everyone involved in the project understands deadlines and has access to necessary information helps avoid delays resulting from lack of resources. Number 5. Remember to delegate. As a construction project manager, you have a lot on your plate. However, with these 10 essential tips, you can ensure that your project is completed successfully and within the given time frame. Remember to communicate effectively with every stakeholder involved in the project. Plan everything ahead of time and delegate tasks accordingly. Be flexible but always stick to your plans while managing resources efficiently. Keep an eye on budgets and timelines at all times. Trust your team members to deliver their best work by giving them clear instructions and responsibilities. Number 6. Time management. Time management is crucial in construction project management. Projects can be delayed or go over budget if time isn't managed properly. One of the best ways to manage your time effectively is by creating a schedule that outlines tasks and deadlines. Prioritizing tasks based on their urgency and importance can also help you stay on track with your timeline. This means understanding which tasks need to be completed first, which ones are dependent on others, and which ones can wait. Another way to improve time management is by delegating responsibilities to team members who have the skills and expertise required for specific tasks. By doing this, you not only free up your own time but also ensure that each task is completed efficiently. It's essential to remember that unexpected issues will arise during any construction project. Therefore, it's vital to allocate some extra time in case something unforeseen happens so that you don't fall behind schedule. Number 7, know your contract document. One of the most important aspects of successful construction project management is knowing your contract document. This is a legal agreement that outlines the terms and conditions under which you will be working with your client. Before starting any work on the project, it's crucial to thoroughly review and understand all aspects of the contract document. This includes understanding payment schedules, timelines, scope of work, change order procedures, and other key elements. By having a clear understanding of your contract document from the outset, you can avoid potential disputes down the line. If there are any areas that need clarification, or if you have concerns about certain clauses in the contract, make sure to address these issues with your client before beginning any work. It's also important to keep a copy of the signed contract on file for reference throughout the duration of the project. Number 8, use technology. In today's world, technology has made its way into every aspect of our lives. Construction project management is no exception. With the help of advanced software and other digital tools, managing a construction project has become much more efficient and streamlined. One of the most significant benefits of using technology in construction project management is that it allows for real-time communication between team members working on different parts of the project. This can save a lot of time and prevent misunderstandings that can lead to delays or errors. Number 9, be prepared to get your hands dirty. When it comes to construction project management, being prepared to get your hands dirty is a must. This means that you cannot shy away from taking on physical tasks and getting involved in the nitty-gritty aspects of the job. One reason why getting your hands dirty is important is because it allows you to have a better understanding of what's happening on site. By experiencing firsthand how things work, you can make more informed decisions as a project manager. Additionally, when workers see that their boss isn't afraid to roll up their sleeves and get dirty alongside them, it fosters respect and camaraderie within the team. Number 10, don't take shortcuts. When it comes to construction project management, taking shortcuts is never the answer. While it may seem tempting to cut corners in order to save time or money, doing so can actually end up costing you more in the long run. Here's why. Firstly, taking shortcuts often leads to mistakes and errors that need fixing later on. This means that you'll end up spending more time and resources correcting these issues than if you had done things properly from the start. Secondly, cutting corners can also compromise safety standards and put workers at risk. Taking shortcuts can damage your reputation as a reliable and trustworthy contractor. While it may be tempting to take shortcuts during a construction project, doing so can have serious consequences for both your wallet and your reputation. Always prioritize quality over quantity in order to set yourself up for success in the long term. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.